Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin a sleep icon or button to the Windows 10 taskbar. In case your Windows 10 PC supports sleep feature, you can pin a sleep button to the Windows 10 taskbar. For that, first right click on the free space on the desktop and here select new and then shortcut option. In this one location box, all you need to copy and paste this one command that you can find in this video description and then click on this one next button. Name it sleep, then click on this one finish button. Now a sleep icon, shortcut icon will be created on your desktop. To pin it, drag this one desktop shortcut to the taskbar and when you see pin to taskbar, lift your finger from the mouse and that sleep shortcut will sit on the Windows 10 taskbar. To put your PC in sleep, just click on this one button